Yeah, greetings family. We are here doing fence wall design and pillar head at the same time coping. So we're just here to show you a brief work. Yeah, you can see. You can choose any design of your choice, any design you want, anyhow you want it. If you tell me, or come and do yours for you nicely. You can see. So with this, the client only want the front view to be done. Yeah, and trust me, after executing it and at the same time working on the parapet, the secret roofing, working on the coping, then the client says, no, Abraham, I won't let you do only the front fence wall, but trust me, you have to do. He says we should do all this side in addition. We have to do all this side in addition. So we are just here to brief you about the work. If it's a schedule work done, trust me, the client will not add this to it. So we'll be doing all the fence wall. We'll be doing all the fence wall. So we'll bring you updates later. You can see my brothers on the top. I've just gotten down to give you a short video. You can see it's a very neat work.
Hello, and welcome back to the channel once again. That was Abraham for you, our windows, and door fence wall designer. And Abraham got in touch with me one of these days that one of our subscribers that he is working on one of her projects, and this is also another project. I think it is apartment. It is 8 units and one self-contained. It is located in Eastern region in Koforidua, which is closer to Eburi. So if you are interested, with this project, the owner is asking for 700,000 Ghana cedis. And if you are interested, you can get in touch with Abraham. I'm just, trying to support and promote, this project for the lady because the lady is also working on another project and she needs the funds to, finish with that. So she's putting this one on the market. If you are interested, please get in touch with Abraham. If you want to know more details of this, apartment, please get in touch with Abraham.
Alright, this is the finishing of the project. You can see it's looking so nice. Marvelous work. Fantastic job. Yeah, let me go out. This is so fantastic. So Okay. Kumasi adwuma no. Ano so aba na wie ye. Ani mo temi ho na mo de ho dance ye. Adwuma no de ho ti. Ye ma wa be ho say yes. 1 2 sikango. Yeah. Adwuma pa. With professionalism. And you'll be a betting aye. Yes. You were missing. And you were missing. Yes. Nti adwuma no ni adwuma pa na no ane tɔne ho. Mo mo te me ho na mo ade ho dance ye. Enye kasa o. Enye kasa bebre. De ni ahono. Eno ho dance na mo de. Enye ya se me ba pila na se. Pila no so ye ba no mo ho se de atie. Ba ne eni eni wie eni akono original professionalism perfection ya eni adwuma no ye ya nka ho nti a menje de so obi be free akra se ye mbra kumase en be ye ma no ati se de atie bia mo so mo frɛ ye be ba be ye amam last one na ye ya sa na ye ko na si high wa wani tia correcto perfecto adwuma pa pede force kasa dodo enye kente mind no mamonja mo aha mo amo de boni aho de amoni aho no mo amo nkwana mo bo ho dero original Abraham number 1 oba tiktoker Mr. One Day yeah me no oko YouTuber mo subscribe baby ye ne ho adwuma pa
You number one in Ghana, top 3 in the whole world. That's Abraham for you. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.